Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Speedy Lifestyle. To my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you guys for the support so far. And to those that are coming to this channel for the very first time, you are welcome. Thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to join the fam. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys on how you can book your IELTS exam location. Okay, so yes, I'll be showing you guys how you can book your IELTS exam at home. You don't need to go anywhere, you don't need anybody to do that for you. I'll be showing you guys how you can achieve that less than 10 minutes. Okay, yeah, you don't need to go to anybody, you don't need anybody to do that for you. You can do that at the comfort of your home. This IELTS exam simply means International English Testing System. Okay, so you need that to test your abilities, and they have 4 categories in which they check your abilities. Meanwhile, the speaking ability or the speaking category has to be on a different date. So you don't come for IELTS exam, you don't come for speaking on the same day for your writing. Okay, so it's on different dates. I have 4 categories: speaking, reading, listening, and writing. Yeah, so if you want to do all of this, you need to make sure that you read very well, because people fail this particular exam. I'm not even capping. Okay, who are the organizations that organize IELTS exam? They are from the British Council. So I'll be showing you guys this in the illustrations. Okay, yeah, when you get to your Chrome, you write British Council, your state. So British Council will be your city area, right? Okay, so the first one you will see is take IELTS exam, British Council. So you click on it. When you click on it, you see different options. Our sole aim, or rather our concern, is to book. So we want to book our IELTS test. So you click on it. When you click on it, you book your test at an official IELTS test. Book your exam online. So we are booking online. Look at the fee. Okay, let's read it. Dear test taker, we would like to inform you that effective from 1st September 2023, there will be a price increase for IELTS test offered by the British Council. The new price will be 107,500 for IELTS academic and IELTS general training, and then 116,000 for UK visas and immigration, and 104,000 for life scheme. The new prices are necessary to sustain the high quality of standard for your testing experience. Thank you for showing the. Okay, so note that. Okay, you can take your test at one of the official centers on paper or on your computer. All your tests is a valid identification document and a bank card if you want to pay online. So I would always advise you writing on paper. Don't write on computer. So tests we offer and their fee. Okay, so I've read that already. So what you need to do, they have the things you need to do: a valid identification document. When you register, you will need to upload a scan of your ID. The ID document should be a passport or NIN card, a microchip embedded, not the temporary for Nigerians. The ID document for non-Nigerians is strictly a valid passport. ID must be valid at the time of booking and on the test day. Any other application identity document will not be accepted. If you are under 18, your parents will also need to complete the parents' concept of candidate under 18 form. IELTS is not recommended for anyone under 18. I have a video that discuss about age for such kind of transaction. A bank card, credit or debit to pay through our online booking system or bank transfer. Find out more about how to pay. So after you have booked your test, you will receive a confirming email confirming the start of your exam and the venue. So this is the most important thing here. You will receive the time of your test and the venue and venue address, your speaking test date, your access code free online preparation course, road to IELTS, last minute version of it. So more information about the test. So it depends on what exactly you want. Do you want IELTS academic or general training? Do you want academic for the UK, or do you want general training for UK? IELTS life skills, all of that. They are willing to train you. When you click on it, you get their the full information. So find a date for this particular one, paper or computer. So when we get there, when you open it, you see which IELTS test you like to take. So they have IELTS academic, and then they have the general training, right? So for the sake of this video, I'll be going for academic, right? So they said, where would you like to take your test? I'd like to take my test. Okay, so pick your location, Abuja, Nigeria. Okay, which format of IELTS exam would you like to take? I would always go with paper. Okay, then paper, you will see your results in 13 days. Then when you go with computer, you will see your results in 3 to 5 days. But as I've said before, I'll always go for the paper. So when would you like to take your test? Go down and choose date. You will choose date for yourself. Okay, let's say January 27th. Just choose yourself. Let's So I just chose January 27, 2024. Tea time from 9 o'clock to 2:30. So I'm doing listening, reading, and writing. So they have different dates for speaking. Okay, I've said this before, and it's on a different center. So you are not doing the speaking category the same day you are having your listening and reading and writing. So it's on a different day. So you go on book. They have different dates, like different locations in Abuja. So you can go ahead any of them that is suitable for your location. So let me just go with the first one. Okay, there you go ahead to book. So this is how you can easily book. You write your email address, confirm your email, password, and who are you booking the test for, yourself, your child, and all of that. So when you are done, submit. Okay, so guys, for the success of this video, you need to get 7 points in all of this category: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So when you get at least 7 points in any of these categories, in all of them, you are good to go. You give you high chances to stand out. Meanwhile, people fail these courses, people fail this examination. So you need to read very well to be able to stand out. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yeah, see you guys in my next video, and please don't make it your last. Bye.